new construction will be expensive. What does that mean? Well, even though you may have an insurance policy on your house that covers the value of your house, the construction of a new house might cost 2 times as much as what your insurance policy covers. And how is that possible? Well, the new building laws might require that there's higher level construction required, maybe more resiliency for earthquakes, maybe better fire protection, maybe updated codes. The NEC electrical code comes out every few years and has new rules about what you have to have as far as building requirements. And when you got your insurance policy and they put a value on your home per square foot, that was done using the codes and policies at the time.